48-hour upgrade bonus, only for serious action takers who want to make big money now. This is hard to miss. 46 hours, 33 minutes, and 9 seconds. You get 48 hours to make up to $2,000 more per sale. You heard me right. $2,000 more per sale. Get upgraded to the next qualified level and earn bigger 100% commissions. Yes, when you decide to take action before the timer runs out, you will be rewarded with the next level qualification. This is a 100% free action taker bonus. While most companies have PDFs or low value or no value bonuses, we're giving you up to $2,000, the ability to make up to $2,000 more per sale over and over and again for a one-time cost. Okay, join at the $500 level, get no upgrade. Join the $1,500 level. That's the sweet spot. Get qualified at the $3,500 level. So you get the $3,500 commissions, or the $1,500 or $500 per sale. Okay. Join the $3,500 level. Get qualified at the $5,000 level. Join the $5,000 level. Get epic $100,000 bonus, which is right here. 48 hours to make up to $2,000 more per sale. What? Do I have your attention now? Okay, so I'm going to show you real results. Okay, I'm going to start with Google because the last time I started with YouTube. Okay, and what I'm going to type in, what is the high ticket lifestyle 5 forbidden truths, which is a recent video I've done. Okay, and if you scroll down just a tad, there's Make Money On with JJ. Okay, now it's much harder to get with Google, but usually I'm first or second or even multiple results. And yesterday when I looked it up, I was #1. So there's my video right there, still on the first page of Google. But I'm going to show you, if you stick to me to the end, the YouTube results, which are much better. Okay, but it's harder to rank on Google, but you can continue to rank assets over and over again. And this is some of the elite training that will work all instantly, including the owner who will work with you 5 days a week for 2 hours a day, helping you make more money and market the right way. And he has elite training, because I learned more in 2 weeks with him, 10 times more than I've learned with everybody else combined. Okay, that is no exaggeration. Okay, but you got to stick with me to the end of the video. Okay. So, the high ticket lifestyle plan, high ticket lifestyle review, and compensation breakdown. Now, why am I reading this blog? Okay, very important. If you could get elite training, okay, put something out there one time and get results for years and years on Google and YouTube, once you do it over and over again, just like if you were at a slot machine at a casino and you kept hitting over and over again, once you stay there, in 2026 and beyond, search engines and AI are smart. Okay, they're reading what you type, they're listening to what you say, so why wouldn't you do something once and get multiple results for it? Okay, that's what I'm doing right here, and it works like gangbusters. And I'll show you again if you stick with me to the end of the video. Now, a brutal compensation breakdown exposes who is actually keeping the bag and who is doing all the heavy lifting. Legacy affiliate networks siphon profits upward through complex corporate hierarchies, leaving you with microscopic crumbs for your massive effort. A proper high-ticket lifestyle review strips away the marketing fluff and examines the raw, unvarnished payout structure. When you eliminate corporate middleman skimming, direct payouts route straight to your personal accounts with zero delay. Big money, okay? Not little money. The whole pie type, 100% commissions. This direct pass-through mechanic changes your entire risk-reward ratio overnight, turning a sluggish side hustle into a high-velocity enterprise. You stop working harder than a corporate manager for a fraction of the yield while someone else collects the dividends. You start executing high-value extractions that fund your life, secure your crypto hedge, and establish total financial independence. The math is inescapable. Earning a full commission on, see this guy relaxing right here? Earning a full commission on a high-ticket transaction beats grinding out hundreds of micro sales each single time. And I want to show you, so bring out your calculator and type, and you can pause this. Take 3,500 and divide it by 20, and you get 175 is the answer. So what that means is you can do the work one time and get $130 up to $3,500 or even $5,000 per sale. But let's say $3,500. Okay. Do you know how you need 175 $20 sales to make $3,500? Do you know how long it takes to make 175 $20 sales? Not people that are interested. 175 sales, or you could do one time and get paid the whole pie. Okay, that's the type of elite compensation you get from the high ticket lifestyle. Okay. Why spend your energy chasing pennies when you can dominate the high ticket lifestyle landscape with the exact same amount of traffic? Transparency and compensation gives you the psychological clarity needed to scale without second guessing your business model. Audit your payout structure today and demand the 100% yield your labor actually commands. Now I'm going to show you something real quick, right? Never bonus DFY call center. Never pick up the phone. 100% automated commissions. Let your sponsor relax. Leverage our 100% free call center so you can start earning big. Now, I showed you how you can make up to $2,000 more per sale. But what if I told you they'll call the hotline, listen to the message, leave a message. They'll leave a message after the 3-minute call, and the owner or another person that's trained and a high ticket closer will call them back. So we make it easy for you. Questions, call 1-800-771-0769. Never pick up the phone. Yes, we handle all the customer support and questions for you to relax and wake up to $5,000 direct commissions over and over. The whole goal of the high ticket lifestyle is to get paid on complete autopilot, creating your financial freedom while we do all the hard work, selling, telling, coaching, and duplication for you. If you have questions, please call support and let your sponsor relax. Imagine our team closing massive big ticket commissions for you. How awesome is that? Now, the high ticket lifestyle pay plan, how to start affiliate marketing with no experience. Starting an affiliate marketing business with zero prior experience requires a streamlined, zero BS approach that cuts straight to the revenue. You do not need a computer science degree, a graphic design background, or a massive social media following to build a profitable enterprise. In fact, this guy will market with you. At the $1,500 level, you get live 10 a.m. outside of training to market with the owner. He'll help you 5 days a week for 2 hours a day, make more money and learn how to market, okay? And get people calling your number and get people in your autoresponder. Amazing, right? That's just some of the things. So with the $1,500 level, you get all the things in the $500 level plus the $1,500 level, which is how to day trade Bitcoin at a 90% win rate and more, okay? Everything at the bottom level, including and 100% free 48-hour action ticket bonus. Join the silver level and get upgraded to the gold level commissions. And yes, you'll be qualified to earn up to $3,500 commissions. And you already paid $1,500 at one time. And you can imagine making, how about you made $3,500, $1,500, and $500 in a month. And that's $5,500 and you only paid $1,699. What? So 3.5 times your money, right? That's amazing. And that's just the tip of the iceberg, okay? Potentially. I'm not guaranteeing you anything. Okay, what you need is an icon fabric that connects you directly to high demand offers and provides a exact daily execution steps. By following a proven blueprint, absolute beginners